Hi loves, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and joining me today. As you guys can tell by the title, in today's video I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. As you guys may or may not know, I actually am an FIT design graduate. I studied women's wear and menswear, and I'm finally going to be releasing some actual clothing, both women's and some unisex, that really reflect me as a designer. They really show kind of what I'm about, and they're really setting the tone for my brand. I have had my website up since last year, and I have released some small capsule collections since then. However, I feel like those are such a tiny taste of what I'm capable of and my real aesthetic as a designer. So I'm super excited about this collection. I'm super excited to share with the world and share with you guys what I have in my brain as a designer, and to share with you guys me actually bringing these pieces to life. My long-term goal would definitely be to manufacture or have someone producing and sewing the garments themselves for me. But as of right now, I am designing, draping, patterning, cutting and sewing everything in-house by me, by hand. So yeah, it's a lot of work, but we are making it happen. enjoyed this video and you guys want to see more of my design process and what I actually do as a designer and the work behind the scenes to my brand, definitely be sure to let me know in the comments down below, because this is something that I'm always working on, always passionate about, always doing behind the scenes, but I don't really want to put it on the side or on the back burner, especially now that I'm a mom. I want to definitely be chasing my dreams, chasing my goals, and working towards them. So let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this. I'll definitely bring you guys along for the photo shoot and show you guys a little bit of how I do my website and marketing and social media and things like that if you're interested as well. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and pray for your girl, because by the time this video goes up, hopefully everything is done. But right now, as I'm filming this, I have a lot more work to do.